Hello there to the whole world. Let's see what is it we've got to work on today. Okay, we are doing number 13. And in case you're watching this for the first time, this is the textbook we're using here. Okay. Again, my intention is to go through each and every exercise in this textbook. Honestly speaking, I don't know when will I be able to finish it off. Okay. So we're doing exercise 13. Okay, use the for loop to print an upside down triangle like the one below. Allow the user to specify how high the triangle should be. Number of rows is equals to eval inputs enter rows, and then what I'll then do is go for a row in range, number of rows, print. I am printing a star. Oh, you know what? I am printing a star. I am printing an asterisk. How many times? Row number of times. Okay, you can make an argument that wouldn't this give us the exact output we got before, which is a triangle, a normal triangle? And the answer is yes. However, if we do this, if we add more arguments on our range function, meaning we're starting from there, we're going all the way up to 0, and then we keep decrementing our index by 1, we're gonna get the exact thing that we want. Okay. That's in A. Okay. Now let's see what we get. Let's see what we get, you guys. 7. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It seems like we good, you guys. Okay, I can keep hitting this run, but until the end we will keep getting the exact thing that we want. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers. I'm gone.